How you doing? This is Miss Mimi Johnson, the arts reporter, your arts reporter. You are tuned in. Oh my goodness. We are here with Emile with Sovereign Haiti Initiative. I just love this organization. Tell everybody, hey.
Hello everyone. How are you out there?
Tell everybody about your fabulous event today.
Well, today we're honoring beautiful women like yourself who have supported us within the community. This event is called Shy Sisters, where we give praise and reverence and just honor the women who have been supporting us. You know, we don't do this work on our own, so we have to give thanks and praise to those who help us along the way.
Yes, yes, and you have food. I can't wait to eat some food. I'm like, I'm about to eat some Haitian food with my Haitian family. Well, we have more information for you. We're going to cover the event and let you see what's going on. And do you want to say any words to anyone out there?
Just make sure you keep listening to the Arts Report and make sure you come out to our event, Sovereign Haiti Initiative. You can reach us at Sovereign Haiti Initiative on Facebook, also gmail.com, and our phone number is 404-482-1622. So hope to hear from you soon.
This is my beautiful, beautiful sister. We are here at Sovereign Haiti Initiative. We are here at a fabulous event. You're logged on to the Arts Reporter, Ms. Mimi Johnson, and MimiJohnson.net and YouTube.com/The Arts Reporter. Love you all. Say tar-tar.